Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to dribble a basketball. Hey guys, welcome to Things to Learn. My name is Prakash, and in this channel I post how-to videos about basketball, filmmaking, YouTubing and blogging. If you are interested in any of these things and want to learn more, then please consider subscribing because a lot of great contents are on the way. So today, we're talking about dribbling a basketball. Dribbling is a skill and it takes time to learn. As a beginner, it might seem hard to learn dribbling, and it might also seem intimidating when you see an NBA player or your best friend doing all those crazy moves between the leg, behind the back, and all those stuffs. But hey, always remember one thing in mind. All these people, all NBA players, all the best players in your schools or university, they all were in your situation. They all were just watching videos like this to learn how to dribble. They practice hard and hard to become what they are today. So, if you work hard, if you dedicate good time, then you too will become just like that or even better. So, relax and keep practicing. Let's get started. First thing first, learn to have control over the ball. Why? Because if you won't have control over the ball, then you lose the ball easily and your defender or your opponent will get the ball. And you don't want this to happen, right? So what you can do to control the ball, to have control over the ball, I'll show you a few techniques, okay? Number one is when you are dribbling, always dribble the ball with your finger pads. Never dribble with your palms. As a beginner, what we do is we dribble the ball with our palms, just like this. And see, when I dribble the ball with my palms, you know, just there is no control. But let me dribble the ball with my finger pads now. See, I can take anywhere, but with finger pads, you know, it's hard. That's number one. Number two is try to put your hand on the top of the ball, you know, while dribbling. And when you do this, the ball comes back to your hand. You know, it doesn't go here and there, so it makes you know, a lot easier. Second, learn to get in low stance. I mean, try to bend yourself a little bit. Why? Because when you're standing straight and dribbling the ball, it becomes easier for your defender to steal the ball from you because you're giving him a lot of space. But whenever you bend a little bit, then it will be hard for your defender to get the ball because your body is sort of protecting the ball because you're bending and you know, there is some sort of, you know, a kind of cave is formed and your ball is very safe inside that. Okay, so how to do that? Move your legs shoulder width apart and bend yourself a little bit as if you were sitting in the chair and start dribbling. Practice this until it becomes your habit. Third, as you are dribbling the ball with your finger pads and you are in low stance, now try to dribble the ball as low as possible. Again, when you do this, when you dribble the ball as low as possible, it becomes nearly impossible for your defender to steal the ball. Practice this every day to dribble as low as possible and use it, especially when you are doing crossovers, like, you know. See? Now, let's assume that there is a defender in front of you. And for that situation, you'll have to learn to dribble by putting your body in between the ball and the defender. For example, most of the time, you know, we dribble this way, but if the defender comes, then you can't dribble the ball in front of you. What you have to do is you have to be in between your defender your body has to be in between your defender and the ball. How? Look at this. For example, there's a defender in front of me. Then what I'm going to do is, bring my non-dribbling hand in front and simply shift my right leg a bit back, and so that my body is in between my ball and the defender, right? This, you should practice doing this and move your position. Make sure that your body is always in between your defender. When you do this, your defender will not get the ball easily. Won't be able to steal the ball easily from you. Okay, practice this every day. Next thing, as a beginner, what we do is most of the time we try to. It's not we try, it just happens. It's naturally we look towards the ball because we don't want to lose the ball, and we want to see where the ball is going, and we want to take our hands just over there to reach the ball. But to become a better basketball dribbler or better basketball handler, what you will have to learn is to dribble the ball and at the same time look ahead, look forward, not down. If you do this, then you'll hit someone else, or you'll hit yourself. Okay, so when you're dribbling, just look ahead, because if you look ahead, then you'll be able to see where your teammates are, or where your defenders are, and all those things. And another thing is, when you are playing basketball game or a tournament, then always try to dribble as less as possible and try to pass the ball, because dribbling the ball to another basket takes time, whereas passing is faster. So be smart, and when your teammates are free, or when it's better passing, just pass it. Don't just keep dribbling the ball. Okay, and that's another tip. And finally, the most important point, try to relax and calm down yourself. Don't rush and don't be too serious. Okay, when you do that, you will lose concentration, you lose control over the ball, you lose control over your body, and you'll make a lot of mistakes. So relax, calm down, keep your eyes open, observe your teammates, observe your opponents, and play smartly. Relax and calm down. That's the last point. Hope this video was helpful, guys. If this video was helpful, then please give it a thumbs up. If I have missed any important point, or if something stood out for you, then please mention it in the comment box so that others can learn from it. And if you want me to make other videos just like this, then please consider subscribing. And the next video is going to be about passing a basketball. So if you don't want to miss it, then also consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing and keep practicing. See you in the next video.